What is going on, YouTube? Tom here. Yes, I'm gonna go film another photography vlog. Before I get started, I just want to ask you all a little bit of a question. For anybody who actually likes these photography vlogs, what would you think about a second channel of mine if I were going to start a photography channel? Because this is a car channel, and I don't really want to focus too much on photography, since when I do, it's usually car photography. But I recently acquired a bunch of old film cameras from my parents, and I really want to do like reviews on them and talk about them, but I really don't want to put that on this channel unless you all would be interested, because this is a car channel after all. So I'm thinking about starting a photography channel, just not necessarily to make money like this channel, but just for fun, maybe eventually to make money. I don't know, what do you all think? But yes, today I got the Mustang behind me. Also, I got a new film camera that I want to try out. I have with me here a Canon AE1, so you all can see that. Basically, this camera was $10 at a yard sale. That people really legitimately did not know they had, because this camera is worth anywhere between $60 for one, basically in this condition. This is well-used condition, all the way up to, I've seen mint ones where people are asking $200 for them. And of course, this one, I already actually had a lens with the camera, a 50mm lens, I don't know if y'all can see that, with 1.4 aperture. I actually bought this lens to use it with the T7i that you all are watching this video through right now. You can use these old film lenses with a modern camera with an adapter. Well, then I happened to get this camera and it was great. I already had lenses. So, I want to take a few pictures with this lens today. I said when I got this camera, once I fixed it all up, I said I'm only going to take pictures that would be period correct, that actually look like they would have been taken with this camera back in the day. Well, I did a few of those, went and took some old pictures of old cars, took a few pictures of my girlfriend's cat. I'll put up on screen those. I took a few different ones that were like, you know, flowers and such. Again, I'll put those up on screen too. You know, just the standard, you know, kind of film camera starter pack. But I said, you know what, let's take a picture of the Mustang, because it's here. I got it already here. Let's go ahead and do it. I mean, I'm gonna head off to one of my favorite filming locations, the top floor of the secret parking garage I always go to. But we'll see what we can do. I mean, it's gonna be fun. I haven't really taken many pictures of modern cars with it. So, now you all are gonna actually see this about a week after I film the video and take the pictures, because it's gonna take a week to get these developed. Now, for all you photography people out there, I'm using Kodak, I'll focus on it. I'm using Kodak 200 speed film, 24 exposures. I've already taken some pictures with that. I'm at 19 out of 24, so really not gonna take many pictures today, but I also just wanna fill this roll up so I can go ahead and get it developed. But without further ado, I'm gonna take you all with me, and we're gonna go head to that parking garage now. Alright, I don't know how well you all can see this, because I got the wrong lens on the camera and I didn't bring the other lens with me, but God, that Trans Am right there. In fact, I might even have to just get out and take a picture of that with this film camera. I think I might, because that is like a seriously clean looking Trans Am WS6. I'm taking a picture of that car. Yes, I ended up taking a couple of digital pictures of this car too, because man, that is actually very amazing. Not normally an LS guy. Very nice Trans Am. Alright, let's give this shot a try. Got the elevators in the background, which is many times I've taken pictures here. I don't think I've ever actually had the elevators in the background. We'll give that a try, something a little bit unique. I don't know, kind of the preview right here, what I have in mind. Just kind of fill the space up a little differently, not just have a kind of the typical Instagram car that's the full frame in the shot. Try to have something a little bit unique, trying to give the background a little bit of interest. Car's a little bit dirty right now, but overall, you shouldn't see it in pictures. I guarantee you most of you probably don't even see it in video right now, but alright, please pardon how sweaty I am. It is currently 94 degrees outside and pretty damn humid. But let me know what you think about that video in the comment section below. Do you all enjoy seeing these photography vlogs? And if you do, definitely let me know. Because if I did start a second photography channel, I would definitely have more of this type of vlog on that channel rather than on this channel, since I know people on here, y'all just want to see car content here, car news, so that's something I would definitely do on that channel. Let me know if you all want to see that or not, because that's something I'm definitely really looking at. I really enjoy this camera and I want to make more videos with it, because it is a fun camera to use, the Canon AE-1. It's definitely something entirely different from digital, entirely different mindset of taking pictures. The camera works entirely differently. It's definitely been fun. One of the videos I really do have in mind is why that is the best starter film camera to pick out of any film camera. I, of course, got it on accident, but now I'm absolutely in love with the camera. But look out for those pictures as well on my Instagram, which I'm going to put up on screen right here, and as always, it is in the link down below. But if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Anyway, take care, have a good day.